Of course, plants do have stem cells. When a plant dies in the winter and in the summer you see the plant coming back, there are cells that are dormant in that plant that are awakened when the temperature increases and all the conditions are right for sprouting back in the spring. These are stem cells. We never historically called them stem cells simply because that was not the language that we had before the discovery of stem cells in the body and what they do in the body. But when we start to understand what stem cells do, then these cells in the plant are in fact plant stem cells. So we can indeed harvest these plant stem cells. We can grow them in the lab. We can make them produce a lot of the active compounds that these stem cells are producing. And I do believe that this is really the future of growth of various plants in order to harvest active compounds. You take, for example, ginseng extract. You need to grow ginseng. It takes many years to grow. Well, we could take stem cells from ginseng, grow them in bioreactors, and make them produce those bioactive ginsenosides that we want for the purpose of enhancing health. But these stem cells don't really have an effect on the human body. They do produce cytokines that can have an effect on the stem cells in your body or cells in your body. We know that there are a number of skincare products, for example, that are made based on plant stem cells. They have some sort of an effect, but these plant stem cells will never play any role in your body as stem cells. Like, you don't want a plant stem cells. A stem cell will multiply and divide according to its own DNA. So a plant stem cells will not grow in you and start to develop a leaf in your body. So it's purely the compound that these stem cells contain that can act as a growth factor for human cells. But obviously when we talk about tissue repair or any significant impact in terms of stimulating the regeneration of a tissue in the body, then we want to tap into human stem cells and human growth factors.